Yeah. Good day all. This week DXY Technical Analysis. This is 4 hour chart. Okay. Yeah, I can clear everything first, then we'll see. I can remove all the otherwise. Yeah. So this week we are expecting little bit correction, some more here, then it will come here. Maybe it will take liquidity from this zone. Yeah, surrounding this zone. Initially, sorry, if a small correction like this will drop. Look for any sale setup DXY. Any sale setup is better this week. Okay. Thank you.